Right. So this is the school management system. So we want to start by logging in as a super admin. So I click on super admin there, and then I click on sign in. Right. So this is the super admin. So these are some of the features that are there in the system. We've got the front desk where we have got admissions inquiry. We have got complaints where we can launch any complaints about any particular student. We have got student information. Under student information, that's where we have got student admission. I can click on student admission there. You can see all the fields that we can put for student admission. uh, as you can see, we have got all these fields that we can put. We also have got a online admission. Under online admission, we can put uh, we can do the admission online. And then I go to fees collection. Under fees collection, we have got where we can collect our fees. Offline payments, we have got search fees payments, we have got fees master. This is where we set up our fees structures. uh, we also have got fees type, fees discount, fees carried forward, fees reminders. Under fees reminder, we can remind the parents 2 days before or any days before. And then we have got Zoom classes. If you do any online classes, we have got income where we can have our income for the school. Any other income generating projects that we can be doing that is not fees. Then we have got expenses. Here we can capture all the expenses that we have. And then we have got examinations. I've seen you ask it about examinations. So we've got exams where we can have our exam schedule, exam results, print admit card, etc. We can set our mark grades. Then I go to academics. Under academics, that's where we set up our timetables, our teachers' timetables. That's where we also promote students going from one class to another after the year end. Then we've got lessons plan. This is also about timetables. We've got HR. This is where we manage all our teachers in their departments. We've got communications. This is how we communicate with the parents. The system can show the log view, the messages that we have sent to the parents and their responses. Uh, we also have got tutorials where teachers can upload videos, tutorials on the system. We've got homework. This is where we can add our homework and all our daily assignments to the students. We've got inventory. Inventory, this is the module for managing library books. We go to reports. Under reports, here we've got our student information. Finance, under finance, we've got some reports that are much more useful. We can run our balance sheet, balance fees report, which will be showing us all the balances that are being owed by students. We have got the daily collection report, fees collection report, etc. I can scroll down. We've got system settings. This is where we can do some settings. So you can, if I come here, it's showing me that I'm logged in as super admin. So let me log out and log in as a different user. Here we've got librarian. You can add log in as a librarian. Teachers can also log in from there. And when the teachers log in, they will also be able to put their exams, the lessons plan. So this is the dashboard for the teachers. Here it's showing the teachers all the program for today. Examinations, the teachers can also add exams from here. So teachers can also put video tutorials, any documentation, student attendance, etc. So I log out again. Here you can log in as accountant, you can log in as teacher. Let me log in as accountant so that you can see for the accountant. So this is for the accountant. So these are some of the reports that the accountant can see. That's it. So let me log out again. I want to log in as a user. So when you log in as a user, let me click as a user. You can come here. So it said they can log in as a parent or as a student. So let me log in as parent and then click on sign in. Right, so here I'm logged in as a parent. You can check that there. You can see it's written parent here. So on the dashboard, we are able to see the subject progress, how the students are progressing, upcoming classes. You can also see that these are the teacher list that are teaching the students for that parent. Also have got the visitors list. Also have got book issue list. We should be showing all the books that have been issued to the student. We also have got fees. Under fees, we are able to see all the payments that the parent have done. The parent can scroll down here. It's showing the balance. So here it's showing, let me start from here. It's showing the amount that was paid, mode of payment used, date payment was done, any discount, any fine, and the paid amount and the balance. So here it's showing us the total balance of 8.7. We can also see timetables. So the parent is able to see timetables for the student. Then we've got exams and exam result. The parent is able to come here and see the exams done by his or her student and see the marks that have been obtained. So you can see here practical examination, English, etc., etc., pass, A plus, etc., etc. So that's it for exams. Let me check the next. The next we have got so I think that's it. Okay, also I've got the visitors book. The visitors book will be showing us all the people we have visited, the student, the days they have visited, and time in and time out. So let me log out and log in again. So the students portal, here is the students portal. It's almost the same like that of parents. It have got just a few differences. So the student can also view his lessons plan, all the scheduled plans, etc., etc. The student can view class timetables, etc., etc. Let me log out again. Then we have got what we call the website. We've got a website. So this will be the website, which we call the front page. So under the front page, you can see these are the things that you can see. You can also check the results for the student. You enter the admission number and select the exam. You can also see from here if the student have passed or not. Also, we've got online admission, where a student can apply online, fill in these details, and then you can either reject or approve the admission. We also have got online course. This is our online courses. There is nothing online course there. It's also linked to WhatsApp. A parent can just chat with you on WhatsApp. If you want to log in, you can just also click on login and then it comes here. So basically that's it.